GNCRC back once again with another update for Gollum. Alright guys, so this is how far I've made it. Still got a whole lot to do. We just got a whole lot going on in the family right now, so I just hadn't had time. So the only thing I did was I took the deadbolt and I went ahead and converted it. This is the trill linkers. I think that's the only thing I did put on there besides the actual cage. So I'm gonna go over a couple of things also, and while I'm here, I'll let you see. So this is what I converted it from, and the reason why I did use this, I bought a brand new deadbolt right before they went up to, I think they're like 124 now, 129, and I bought it for this build. But I'm gonna tell you why I probably wouldn't buy this for this build at this point. But anyway, this will be for sale pretty soon. It'll come with everything you see here except the ESC and receiver combo. That'll be on eBay also. So if any of you guys are interested, let me know. But when I do get it put on eBay, I'll probably put the link in the description also. But let me tell you why it's best to do a conversion from the Jeep, just like the guy that sells this chassis to tell you. Because the links are totally different, which I did know, but I didn't think. I thought the front was one length and then the back may have been another length. I'm gonna tell you what I ended up doing. I ended up started building this thing, and I got to a point where I realized it wasn't lining up like it should. The shots weren't lining up and everything like it should. Now, I did talk to the guy. He did say that some people have built it out of deadbolt, but I wanted to look just like what he was doing, and I wanted to perform just like what I saw on his videos. And I mean, I really love this better than some of the other ones. I mean, the look of it. I don't know how it's gonna perform, you know, but I'm gonna go over a couple things that I did have to do. I didn't have to, well, I did have to do because I had a Jeep and I guess I could have used the parts, but I did try to use them and I just wasn't getting everything lined up right. So I did go buy the long wheel base suspension links, and this is for the Jeep. And the reason why I did is because it was just easier. I actually got 2 packs. I just took everything off and I got the 2 packs, and I just because you do have to have 2 packs if I'm not mistaken. I can't really remember, but I got the 2 packs and I did it exactly like the video said. Now, one other thing that I did purchase, which I hadn't used yet, and the packs, it's not going to, you know, it's a good idea to have them anyway because it comes with the extra screws. So I got plenty of extra screws now. The one other thing that I did grab was the strap shaft set. I know this package says short, but this is actually long and medium. So it says long and medium, short, long, and medium right here. But this is, well, I can't say this. I can't confirm this is part of them. But these are the ones that fit on the Jeep. I went ahead and grabbed a set of these. And again, it comes with some more screws. Can't never have too many of those. So the reason why I did do that is because you do have to shorten these. You have to lengthen one, and I don't know if I had to shorten it or not. I can't really remember. I think I did. I think I did cut these down. But I would like for this one in the rear to be a little bit longer. So I'm going to go ahead and cut another one and make it, I want it to come to about right there. And possibly the same way with the front. I'm not really sure. May not have to. May not be necessary, but I'm real picky about everything that I do. But let me show you what we got left to do to this thing. So, well, let me get into this first. The motor. This is the motor I was going to use. I know it's weird, it's green, so that's why I wanted something that was green. I'm sticking with the green thing. Now, the reason why I wanted to use this motor, because I am using a Fairytech ESC, and from what I've seen, they pretty much make everything smooth. I don't know what the temps are going to be, but we're going to test that out. But I really wanted to keep everything low. And the reason why I wanted, I mean, so he has an upgrade kit for this where you get this new top right here, I think, and maybe this right here, but I know definitely here. I can put the Fairytech motor in there, but I don't think I'm gonna go with the Fairytech motor because I want everything to stay low. But if you notice, it's not any mounting holes on here. So I may drill it, I may not drill it, not really sure. I really don't want to drill it because if I do, I'm afraid the debris getting inside the motor and maybe possibly messing it up. But I may still go for it. I may just try it. All right, so you heard me mention the ESC. I am using the Lizard, Fairytech Lizard. And the reason being, if you look inside of here, this is really neat how he has this set up. You don't have much space inside of here. So I figured by the time I put my SR215 in, it's gonna probably go to about here, space-wise. There's no way I could have gotten the TU in there, and you really don't need it, but I still like it. That's what I got in my Jeep. But that's the reason why I ended up going with the Lizard, because you know, there's not much space in there. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna get that set up pretty soon, hopefully in the next couple days, so you guys stay tuned. Now, I think I have decided, I'm not really sure. These are by Power Hobby. These are just the shock sets. I think I'm gonna go with the ones with the internal. This is a little bit more green exposed, and I think I'm gonna put these on my Jeep. So I do have green on my Jeep, as you guys know also. And what else do we have here? So I hadn't installed the EMX servo yet. I'm not sure I'm gonna do it right away. May or may not, just depending on how much time it's gonna take and how hard it is to get into it. I'm gonna install that. I did print a part for the servo that's already set up to be 4-link, because you do have this 4-link these anyway, but I think that part, that if I 4-link, it'll be a whole lot better with that servo. And let me just see right here. What else did I have? So, parts. Trying to make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay, yeah, guys. So, the wheels. These are by Power Hobby, and these tires are by Power Hobby also. These are the Defender, I think. I don't know a lot about them, but these are aluminum, and I really like the threads. I don't know if this is gonna work well or not, but you can, as you notice right here, is already a size difference. But we'll go over that on another video also once I get all this stuff installed, show you the size difference, and I'm gonna tell you why I kind of chose that size difference to be a little bit smaller than larger pretty soon. But that is where we are right now with this build. Like I say, hopefully I'll be able to finish it off in the next couple days. It's not much to do at all now. Just got to get to it. Time, it's just a time thing right now, guys. But like I said, if any of you guys are interested in this, drop a comment below, and we'll work it out and I'll get it to you. Until next time, this is GNCRC, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Over and out.